Have you ever scrolled through social media and wondered how people are starting side hustles that actually make money without quitting their day jobs? Well, today we're diving deep into exactly that. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're breaking down the top side hustles you can start today, even if you have zero experience, limited time, or no idea where to begin. The world is shifting fast in 2025. And the truth is, you don't need to wait for the perfect time. You can start right now. Film your laptop or phone and build an extra income stream that grows while you sleep. Let's start with one of the most accessible options, freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are booming because businesses everywhere are outsourcing writing, design, and marketing. Whether you can write emails, edit videos, or manage social media accounts, there's a niche for you. The secret: pick one service, get good at it, and niche down clients will find you faster. Next, let's talk about AI-powered side hustles. One of the hottest trends of 2025. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva allow you to create ebooks, digital templates, or social media posts that you can sell on Etsy or Gumroad. You make the product once and it sells forever. That's passive income at its best. Another great hustle, affiliate marketing. You don't need to own products, just promote things you already use and love. When people buy through your link, you earn a commission. The best part? You can start for free using social media or a simple blog. If you love creativity, YouTube automation and faceless content creation are gold mines right now. You can make videos without ever showing your face using AI tools for voiceovers, stock footage, and editing apps like CapCut or Pictory. Monetize with ads, sponsors, and affiliate links, and you could be earning $100 a day in a few months. For those who prefer something hands-on, reselling or flipping products still works in 2025 thrift items, vintage clothes, sneakers, or collectibles. You can find undervalued items on Facebook Marketplace or local stores. List them online and double your profit. Then there's online tutoring and coaching. You're skilled at something, teach it. Whether it's English, math, fitness, or even personal development. Platforms like Teachable or Zoom make it easy to earn by helping others grow. And don't forget Print-on-Demand. Create t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags with your own designs. Upload them to sites like Redbubble or Teespring and earn a commission for every sale. The beauty of all these side hustles is that you can start small and scale over time. You, Dan T, need thousands of dollars or years of experience. You just need consistency and a willingness to learn. The biggest mistake people make is overthinking the start. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere with one idea, one tool, and one decision to take action. So, as you watch this video, pick one side hustle that resonates with you and start tonight. Don't wait for motivation. Build momentum. Because in 2025, opportunities aren't waiting for anyone. They're being taken by people who act fast. If this video gave you value, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more business and side hustle ideas, and comment below which side hustle you're starting today. I'll reply to as many as I can and maybe even feature your success story in my next video. Remember, financial freedom doesn't start with luck. It starts with action. You've got this. Let's get to work.